read a chapter from our Joyful Mathematics of Class 1. The chapter name is Finding the Furry Cat. So let's start singing. Looking, 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 looking for my furry cat. Looking, 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 looking for my furry cat. Are you sitting on the windowsill? Are you sitting on the windowsill? Are you sleeping under my bed? Are you sleeping under my bed? Where are you, my furry cat? Where are you, my furry cat? Looking, 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 looking for my furry cat. Looking, 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 looking for my furry cat. Are you inside the backpack? Are you inside the backpack? Are you outside the red rack? Are you outside the red rack? Where are you, my furry cat? Where are you, my furry cat? Come, 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 come to me, my furry cat. Come, 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 come to me, my furry cat. Saw you scratching the bottom of my jar. Saw you scratching the bottom of my jar. Saw you playing at the top of my car. Saw you playing at the top of my car. Come to me, my furry cat. Come to me, my furry cat. Come, 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 come to me, my furry cat. Come, 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 come to me, my furry cat. Saw you hopping above the hat. Saw you hopping above the hat. Saw you hiding below the mat. Saw you hiding below the mat. Here comes my furry cat. Here comes my furry cat. Here comes my furry cat. Read aloud the poem.
Read aloud the poem.
Ask children to recite
Ask children to recite
and enact it.
and enact it.
Children can look at the pictures
Children can look at the pictures
and tell what all they see
and tell what all they see
and discuss the things
and discuss the things
which are above,
which are above,
below,
below,
on, under,
under,
and so on with the class.
and so on with the class.
Encourage them to talk about the animals
Encourage them to talk about the animals
that they see around them,
that they see around them,
like cats,
like cats,
dogs,
dogs,
cows,
cows,
etc.
etc.
Look at the pictures of the poem
Look at the pictures of the poem
and encircle the correct word.
and encircle the correct word.
A.
A.
The red ball is
The red ball is
above
above
or under,
under,
or on the bed.
the bed.
B. The cat is
The cat is
inside
inside
or
or
outside
outside
or on
on
the car.
the car.
C.
C.
The man is lying
The man is lying
under
under
or
or
inside
inside
or on
on
the tree.
the tree.
D.
D.
The cow is
The cow is
inside
inside
or
or
top of
top of
or
or
outside
outside
the house.
the house.
Think and answer.
Think and answer.
A.
A.
Where do you put your shoes?
Where do you put your shoes?
Inside
Inside
or
or
outside
outside
the room.
the room.
B.
B.
Where do you throw the garbage?
Where do you throw the garbage?
Inside
Inside
or
or
outside
outside
the dustbin.
the dustbin.
Let us play.
Let us play.
Find the things.
Find the things.
Children can divide themselves
Children can divide themselves
into two teams.
into two teams.
One team will hide a few things
One team will hide a few things
like white chalk,
like white chalk,
red ball and other items
red ball and other items
and ask the other team
and ask the other team
to find them.
to find them.
Children can give verbal instructions
Children can give verbal instructions
to find the things
to find the things
using positional words
using positional words
like inside or outside,
like inside or outside,
far or near,
far or near,
above or below,
above or below,
etc.
etc.
For example,
For example,
look for a white thing
look for a white thing
which is hidden near the board
which is hidden near the board
and under the table.
and under the table.
Look for a red thing
Look for a red thing
which is outside the classroom
which is outside the classroom
and under the tree.
and under the tree.
Let us play.
Let us play.
Throw the ball.
Throw the ball.
Each child aims and throws
Each child aims and throws
the ball inside the basket.
the ball inside the basket.
When the ball goes inside,
When the ball goes inside,
other child will say
other child will say
in.
in,
And when it goes outside the basket,
and when it goes outside the basket,
they say out.
they say out.
Let us do.
Let us do.
A.
A.
Tick the things
Pick the things
which are inside.
which are inside.
Activities should be conducted
Activities should be conducted
in a manner
in a manner
so that all the children
so that all the children
are engaged
are engaged
irrespective of their differential abilities.
irrespective of their differential abilities.
For example,
For example,
a ghungru can be attached to the ball
a ghungru can be attached to the ball
and surface of the basket
and surface of the basket
can be made different
can be made different
from the surface outside
from the surface outside
in order to get specific sound
in order to get a specific sound
when the ball is in or out
when the ball is in or out
of the basket.
of the basket.
B.
B.
Pick the things
Take the things
which are outside.
which are outside.
C.
See,
Look at the picture
look at the pictures
and tick the correct words.
and pick the correct words.
1.
1.
A boy is sitting
A boy is sitting
on or under
under
the tree.
the tree.
2.
2.
Birds are
Birds are
on or under
under
the tree.
the tree.
D.
D.
Draw a smile below the nose
Draw a smile below the nose
and eyebrows above the eyes.
and eyebrows above the eyes.
E.
E.
Look at our national flag,
Look at our national flag,
which is also known as Tiranga.
which is also known as Tiranga.
How many colors are there?
How many colors are there?
Pick the correct option.
Pick the correct option.
1.
1.
Which color
Which color
is at the top of the Tiranga?
is at the top of the Tiranga?
White
White
or saffron or green?
Green.
2.
2.
Which color is below
Which color is below
the white color
the white color
on the Tiranga?
on the Tiranga?
Pink
Pink
or saffron
saffron
or Green.
Green.
3.
3.
Which color is above the green color?
Which color is above the green color?
On the Tiranga.
On the Tiranga.
White.
White.
Or
Saffron.
or yellow.
Yellow.
4.
4.
Where is the Ashok Chakra on the Tiranga?
Where is the Ashok Chakra on the Tiranga?
On a corner.
On a corner.
Or
Or
in the middle.
in the middle.
Or
Or
on a side.
on a side.
Discuss with children
Discuss with children
when,
when,
where,
where,
and why
and why
do we hoist the national flag.
do we host the national flag.
Let the children
Let the children
express their feelings
express their feelings
about the national celebrations.
about the national celebration.
Ask children
Ask children
to make their own Tiranga
to make their own Tiranga
and sing the national anthem
and sing the national anthem
in standing position
in standing position
facing the Tiranga.
facing the Tiranga.
Now we are going to sing a poem, Chuk Chuk Goes Our Train. So let us sing. Chuk 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 goes our train. Chuk 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 goes our train. Over the hills and down to the plain. Over the hills and down to the plain. Chuk 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 goes our train. Chuk 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 goes our train. Bogies before my bogie, bogies after my bogie, bogies before my bogie, bogies after my bogie. Make a chant over the rivers and in the rain. Over the rivers and in the rain. Chuk 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 goes our train. Chuk 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 goes our train. Chuk 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 goes our train. Goes our train. Goes our train. A. How many bogies are there
How many bogies are there
after engine?
after engine?
B.
B.
How many bogies are there
How many bogies are there
before the red bogie?
before the red bogie?
C.
C.
Fill the orange color
Fill the orange color
in the bogies
in the bogies
after the red bogie.
after the red bogie.
D.
D.
Fill the blue color
Fill the blue color
in the bogies
in the bogies
before the red bogie.
before the red bogie.
Ask children to share experiences
Ask children to share experiences
of their train journey.
of their train journey.
Children who have never traveled by train
Children who have never traveled by train
may ask questions about the journey.
may ask questions about the journey.
Let there be a discussion
Let there be a discussion
on what a train is.
on what a train is.
Ask them to draw a train
Ask them to draw a train
on the paper,
on the paper,
or they can make a train
or they can make a train
by using waste materials
by using waste materials
like used boxes or cans.
like used boxes or cans.
Let us play.
Let us play.
Children will sing the rhyme
Children will sing the rhyme
and play a game
and play a game
where they all will form a train
where they all will form a train
by holding each other's shoulders.
by holding each other's shoulders.
Everyone will tell
Everyone will tell
who is before
who is before
and after each child
and after each child
in the train.
in the train.
Here goes our train.
Here goes our train.
Here goes our train.
Here goes our train.
No one is before me
No one is before me
and Meera is after me.
and Meera is after me.
Suwali and Rohit
Suwali and Rohit
are making some groups of objects.
are making some groups of objects.
I have put all the pebbles together.
I have put all the pebbles together.
I have put all the leaves
I have put all the leaves
in one group
in one group
and chalk pieces
in chalk pieces
in another group.
in another group.
Let the children do similar activities
Let the children do similar activities
of sorting the objects like
of sorting the objects like
seeds,
seeds,
leaves,
leaves,
beads,
beads,
etc.
etc.
Suali has placed all the buttons
Suali has placed all the buttons
in 3 groups.
in 3 groups.
Why did Suali make such groups?
Why did Suali make such groups?
Help Suali to sort these buttons
Help Suali to sort these buttons
in other ways
in other ways
by drawing them.
by drawing them.
Project work.
Project work.
Ask children
Ask children
to arrange the cupboard
to arrange the cupboard
of the classroom.
of the classroom.
Ask them to put objects
Ask them to put objects
using positional vocabulary
using positional vocabulary,
like put 2 objects
like put 2 objects
in the bottom rack,
in the bottom rack,
1 object in the top rack,
1 object in the top rack,
etc.
etc.